and then as the temperature rises, there's an actuator inside of it. It'll trip and it will activate to the hot side. Hey guys, Ricardo with General Air Conditioning and Plumbing. Today, we're gonna be installing a comfort tee. A comfort tee is basically a recirculating pump that helps correspond with either a tankless or a comfort system that goes on top of your water heater. So basically today we're gonna be doing it off of a tankless water heater. This is basically to help whatever fixture is struggling the most with hot water demand. So this one actually is the one that's struggling the most with the hot water demand today. So this is the one we're gonna be working on. Basically, it just uses the inlet and outlet of the cold water line underneath the system. It pumps over the hot water from the hot side over to the cold side. And then as the temperature rises, there's an actuator inside of it. It'll trip and it will activate to the hot side. So that way it is almost instantaneously. There's no such thing as instant though. So unless you obviously invest into an Insta-Hot, but this is the best way other than investing into an Insta-Hot to get that hot water demand over to the fixture. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna attach these adapters. I normally set it this way to where we install the supply lines as well. So that way, once I get it in, I can just line it up, tighten these in, and then tighten up the top supply lines. And then we're all set for today. There's just a couple screws in the back that we do have to attach it to, so that way we can keep it sturdy. There is instances where if you don't secure it, it can make noises and do a little bit of some weird things, but that's just the beauty of the beast. So, you know, we're gonna do it all properly and get her taken care of for this customer. So right here, we're hooking up the hot line. So normally when it comes to it, there's gonna be a little yellow label that says hot side. So that's how you determine what is the hot side, and this says hot out. So this is out going to the fixture. So that's where that's going. So we're gonna tighten this down real quick. Like that. Here is the cold side. The cold side goes here, right next to it. Now we're going to secure the comfort tee to the back wall, so that way it is set and I can just tighten up the last supply lines after this. So right now I'm connecting the cold and the hot supply lines up to the comfort tee, the bottom portion of the system. That is what's going to be installed now. The top's already connected and going up to the faucet. Once I get these hooked up, then we're gonna go ahead and fire her up. Now that we're done with installing everything, we're gonna go ahead, and these are your emergency angle stop shutoff valves. These are on every fixture. This is how you turn the water on and off. So when this one, there is multiple different styles. There's a multi-turn, and there is also the quarter turn. This is the quarter turn. So you just grab it, turn it, make sure it's pointing towards the water flow. And then you come up here and water flow begins. So after we're done turning everything on, we check it for leaks. Run your hands around. I don't know, just run my hands around. I'll get a napkin after and I'll set it down for about 5 minutes and then walk away. If there's water on it, when we come back to check on it in 5 minutes, then obviously there's a leak somewhere. If not, then it's dry, and I'm assuming this one's gonna be dry though. Yeah, that's all she wrote when it comes to that. It was a simple 10-minute job, but if you have any more troubles other than that, you can go ahead and call the general. We're always happy to assist. If there's anything else you guys wanna see, or you guys want to see any tutorials on how to, leave a comment down below.